Hey everyone, this video will show you how to quickly and cheaply repair the indoor flap or louver on your Panasonic reverse cycle air conditioner. If the louver fails to open when you switch on the indoor unit, but you can hear the actuator trying to open it, you may be in luck. With the indoor unit switched off, lift the louver and detach the mounting points like so. Bend the louver enough so that it can be lifted out. Once it's out, we can see what's causing the issue. In order to open and close the louver, the actuator turns this pivot point. Over many years and countless heat cycles, the plastic slowly splits, which eventually causes the actuator to spin freely rather than move the louver. To fix this, I took thin gauge wire and wrapped it around the pivot point and tightened it with pliers so that the gaps in the plastic closed up. You don't want to go overboard with the tightening, as this could cause more damage. After fitting the louver back on the indoor unit, I've powered it on and confirmed that the issue has been fixed. If you found this video useful, remember to like and subscribe.